guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can see with me here is my sister.
My name's Yvonne. Hey.
And my cute little niece, Leilani. Say hi.
This is Leilani, my baby Leilani. She'll be 3 months tomorrow.
For today's video, I just took my braids last night and my sister took her twist out. So we were getting ready to do like a deep cleanse, and we're gonna try the Bentonite apple cider vinegar mask, like hair mask cleanse. And we both have two different types of hair. So I'm a 4B.
And I'm a 4C.
And do you wanna?
So recently I obviously had a baby 3 months ago, and for the mothers that are out there that may relate to this, I'm experiencing postpartum hair loss. My edges they're thinning out around here and here on both sides, just kind of in the perimeter of my hair. I'm losing hair, which is okay. Because it will grow back. So for the next 60 days, starting tomorrow, I will be like I'll be doing I'll be putting Jamaican castor oil on my edges, but I'll just be caring for my edges. And
for any, even if you're not a mother, like if you have ever experienced loss, like hair loss period, like comment below what you guys have done to regrow your edges back. I had my braids in for about 3 weeks, going on 4, and I feel like you always get shedding when you have braids, like twisting, because I know a lot of the times I have my hair in a ponytail. I'm not trying to say I lost my edges, but I know I did see a lot of shedding, and I still have to detangle my hair. So just comment below if you guys have any natural remedies or any natural hair products for natural hair that could possibly help my sister or me with just, helping. That's why today we're just gonna do this mask, just to get back some life in our hair. So that's what we're doing tonight.
Yeah. So the is Bentonite or Bentonite Clay mask?
I could say Bentonite Clay.
I think it's Bentonite.
But I say Bentonite Clay.
Anyway, this clay mask is going to purify our hair and give it like a deep cleanse. It will bring back our natural curl pattern.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, it's gonna give us like a really good, like a power wash, like a really good cleanse.
And usually before like I do my hair, I like to like wash it, like deep condition the night over, and like do like a pre-poo. But my hair is still dirty, so what I'm gonna be doing is just straight putting in the Bentonite Clay mask and whatnot.
Then wash it.
Yeah.
Then deep condition and wash it after.
But we're gonna show you guys the steps what we do and all the products used. And again, if you guys have any suggestions for my sisters,
because I need my edges back. Okay. Bring back the edges. Like, this is crazy. Bring back Vonnie's edges.
Hashtag JK. You got something to
but,
say?
Yeah, so
you got something to say, Lay. You got something to say, Lay.
Go, baby. Hey.
You got something to say, Lay. You're so cute. So we're gonna get ready to jump into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you're not already, and let's do what it do.
And I have a YouTube channel too, but I do not post on it. So she will just put my link for my video for my YouTube.
I'll leave my sister's Instagram. I'll leave her information in the description box below, as well as her YouTube channel. She also has one. But enough talking, because y'all know I can talk and I will start rambling all over the place. Let's get into this video.
Let's get it.
Say bye, Lay. Say bye.
Say bye, baby.
Say bye. Okay. This is what we're going to be using today for our hair mask, the Bentonite Clay with apple cider vinegar. If you want, you can put some water in it just to dilute it a little bit because of the smell, or you could just leave it as regular. This is what my sister will be using to wash her hair and condition with. We're using items from the Shea Moisture line. We love this line, and this is her stuff, and I'm using a few different products. I had just bought this Jamaican castor oil, another one, because I used up my other one, but I really honestly didn't even use it. But I did use the conditioners for deep conditioning after the mask, because this mask will kind of dry out your hair even though it is cleansing it. So this is what I use. I'd advise you guys use something plastic or something you can possibly throw away. I didn't do any measurements for this. At first we had put, I don't really remember how many scoops. We put a few scoops, and then once we had put the apple cider vinegar, we had noticed it wasn't enough for both of our hair, let alone mine, because it's really thick. My clay was already like halfway full, because I usually use the clay for a mask, so I just wound up using all of it in here, and then we mixed it around and then just started trying to evenly just put it in our hair. This is actually my second time trying this mask, but the first time I did do this, it was a complete fail because I had did it with my hair dry. So the second time around, I'm wetting my hair, and we are then gonna apply the mask on. As you can see, my sister kind of got a little head start before me, but as she's doing it, you can see her curl pattern looks really nice, and her curls are looking voluptuous. And her curl pattern is actually more tighter than mine's. Her hair is more coarser. I have a lot of shrinkage. Like, my hair is just, I love the natural life, but I just really do not like my shrinkage, because it really just takes away of the real length of my hair. That's why I always had trouble trying to do wash and goes. But hopefully this mask will help with the curl pattern and just make it a little, not looser, but just like give me more definition. We weren't sure what we were gonna do after this, because it was pretty late when we started. It was actually after 12:30 when we started this. My hair is way thicker than my sister's, and I was going too slow, so she got done with her hair before mine and decided to help me out some. I just really wish, like, how my hair is looking with the curls. Like, I want my hair to be like this when I try to do wash and goes, but my hair always shrinks up even shorter than this. So it's like, I don't know, maybe if I continue to do this mask maybe every 2 weeks or so, because I don't know if it can do any damage to hair if you do it too often. But eventually I want to try something, and if you guys know any method of helping your curls relax, not perm relax, but I mean like drop from it being so tight, please guys, like, please ladies or gentlemen, comment below and let me know some ways I could do that.
You look like an old baby. Please, I'm not grandma. Mine looks okay. You look like you could be some grandma.
I'll be a hot grandma.
We do not like to waste things over here, so we decided to use the rest of the mask for our face and just let that sit on, as well as we let it sit in with our hair. This is what my sister's hair looks like with the clay mask in. I just want you guys to get a closer look and just see her texture, which is 4C. And this is my hair compared to her texture, and I am considered, I believe, a 4B, but you can tell the difference in the textures in our hair. Okay, so we're gonna let this sit on our face and our hair for another 15 minutes. We kind of like, how long we had this on here already?
Cause more than 20 minutes for me.
Cause look, it's getting like sandy, like it's hard already.
Yeah, like once it's hard.
So we're just trying to get 15 minutes in the face mask, and then we're just gonna wash it all out together. It's like after 12 o'clock tonight, so I'm looking at the wrong
in
part.
The morning.
Yeah, it's after 12 in the morning, so I'm not sure if we're gonna do any styling videos tonight. I don't even know if I'm gonna blow dry my hair. I just might just do some twist outs, and then we'll show you the result. And this is my sister's hair once she washed it out, and this is before she did any deep conditioning. And just look how refreshing and just shiny her hair looks. Like, I just love it. Like, it just looks so clean. And this is before she did any kind of conditioning, and she also did not use the shampoo. Neither one of us used the shampoo to rinse out our hair. We just rinsed it out by itself. And here is how my hair is looking shrunk. As always, I told you guys my shrinkage is crazy, but this is basically how my hair was looking after I rinsed it out. I did not use any shampoo. I just did, and this is my hair actually after I put conditioner in it. I didn't really deep condition because usually my deep conditioning, I like to put on a hooded dryer with the dryer attachment, and I sit under it for about 30 minutes. It was late, and honestly I was tired, so I didn't want to do all that. So I just put conditioner in it. I put a plastic bag over my head for maybe 15 to 20 minutes, and then I rinsed it out. I didn't do much to my hair after this as well, so I will not be showing the after effect of how I styled my hair because I didn't. I really just put like 5 big chunky twists and called it a night. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned to see what I do with my hair next. And later, guys.